So I am going to show you how you can take a recipe right off my blog and dump it right into FitnessPal. So first off, you have to go to your home and click on food as if you were going to put in a recipe. So right here, it will let you import the recipe. So I'm going to go up to my blog and click on my recent blog. I'm going to click on the actual URL, which is took it right off the website, and it dumped all of the ingredients in, as you can see here. I hit match ingredients, and it already knew that it was 12 servings because it took it right off of my recipe. Now I'm just going to double check that it got all of these correct, because sometimes it does not. And looks like it did everything correctly here. Half a cup of Greek yogurt is not 25 calories. So for this one here, I'm going to replace it and put in Greek yogurt. Half a cup of Greek yogurt. 61 calories. And let's add that one. Otherwise, everything looks good. Save. And there we go. 148 calories each. And you not only have it in there now forever, but you have the pretty picture to go along with it. When you are done with that, you go back to your food diary, and when you are ready to eat it, add food, recipes, savory muffin, and there it is. Dumped it in for you.